Hi, everybody. It's Lori Zachary with LAThriftJunkie, and we're going to discuss today about this new trend we're seeing all over TikTok, now spilling over into Poshmark, and it's called Hot Messy Ant. We're going to talk about the different styles this envelops and who this person is. So it's fun, right? A hot messy ant is a 24 to 32-year-old free spirit, a fun ant who doesn't quite have her life together yet. She still shows up with a flask in her purse and yesterday's outfit, right? She's a little bit sloppy. She's trying to pull things together. She's trendy. She is frugal and she's fun. But most of all, she's a little bit of a hot mess. So she's full of life, she's fly, she's dope, she's lit, she's fired, she's all those things. So Hot Messy Ant is also all things grunge. So it's oversized, mismatching outfits, flannel shirts, t-shirts, boyfriend shirts, distressed jeans, Chuck Taylors. You get the idea. We kind of mesh all different styles, all different aesthetics together, mostly casual, and that's what Hot Messy Ant is. It's all things fun. So it's concert t-shirts. It's baseball caps for those messy hair days. Dark sunglasses because she has a hangover. Skinny jeans still that are distressed. And oversized purses, bags, things that she can fit an entire wardrobe's worth of stuff in her purse, right? Because she's going out one night, staying the night with a friend, and she's going to get up and start her day right there at her friend's house. So it's all things cozy. It's oversized t-shirts, oversized cardigan sweaters, drapey, flowy, that kind of aesthetic. She's got ankle boots, and it's a pulled together style of cozy, right? It's not sweatpants and holy shirts. It's still cute, but it's cozy and comfy. It's all things oversized. It's comfortable. It's baggy. It's oversized shirts, oversized sweaters, oversized jeans, oversized bags. So while skinny jeans is still in fashion for the hot messy ant, so is everything big, comfortable, and baggy, boyfriend fit. So we're going to see that over and over again. So I feel like that is the most key element. It's all things fast fashion. Hot messy Annies are still out there living life as a single girl. And fast fashion is affordable. It's also trendy. So this is where you guys can get rid of your trendy fast fashion. You may have gotten thread up boxes, maybe given to you. Perhaps you can pick it up at the Goodwill bins, or you got it to give to Plato's and Plato's didn't take it. This is the place to now call it Hot Messy Ant. You guys, it's all things casual. So they're adding these baseball caps to an outfit that has a career blazer, maybe even a men's pair of trousers, some tennis shoes. I feel like it's very David Letterman. Maybe David Letterman was a hot, messy ant. I don't know. But that's the aesthetic that we are going for when we talk about hot, messy ant. There's a lot of comfort, there's a lot of oversized. You guys, and what else would it be? It's all things messy. We have the messy hair. We have the outfits where the sweaters are hanging down off of the shoulder. You've got on a big shirt with little shorts, and it's a mixed up, eclectic wardrobe. It's fun. You guys, I think I might be a hot, messy ant. I don't know. I'm not a hot ant. I may be a hot mess ant. Yes, that's what I am. So, keyword ideas for messy hot ant would be hot messy ant, oversized sunglasses, oversized bag, baseball cap, boyfriend shirt, oversized tee, oversized button down shirt, blazer, distressed, messy, slouchy, cozy, comfortable, fast fashion, affordable, and trendy. Please add your own keywords. We'll have a PDF coming out after this video. Go to our PFF Poshmark reseller group to find that. It's free. I appreciate you guys watching. I do this just for fun. But you know what? When something's trending, it's always good to use those keywords. It's going to bring that person looking for this trend to your item. And have fun with your fashion. Want to see what I found for my hot messy aunt? I'm having a Whatnot show on July 24th, themed Hot Messy Aunt. I also have Hot Messy Aunt on all my platforms. Thank you for watching, you guys. I will see you next time. Remember, have fun with fashion.